Hey, it's Xavier, and I'm in front of a 2024 Mercedes-AMG GT53 in the four-door coupe body style. This one is equipped in the MANUFAKTUR Selenite Grey Magno, and inside you have the titanium gray, black exclusive Nappa leather with the yellow accents, and I'll show you in just a moment. So the GT53 is equipped with a 429 horsepower six-cylinder engine and 384 pounds of torque. It does come with an additional EQ boost of 21 horsepower and 184 pounds of torque. It does 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds, and it has a top speed electronically limited to 174 miles per hour. So just moving to the front of the car, you can see that this one is a true AMG because it's equipped with the AMG Panorama grille, and it has the signature vertical slats that are available in chrome or black, depending on the package. And you can see also the bumper has large functional air intakes for engine and brake cooling. Moving to the side profile, you can see its sleek, low roofline with coupe-like silhouette. This one is equipped with the AMG Night Package, which blacks out parts of the window trim, side mirrors, and it also has the extended AMG Night Package as well, which adds a dark tint to the grille. Exterior lettering is in black. Moving to the inside of the car, and you can just feel how solid the door feels. Right off the bat, you could see the yellow stitching that's found on this one. Again, this one is equipped with the titanium gray, black exclusive Nappa leather accents. And again, that provides a sporty yet luxurious look that adds an air of elegance and sportiness to the vehicle. So moving, I just want to quickly just show you the interior of the car. Here you can see the MBUX touchscreen, which has a big surfboard screen. It's 12.3 inches long. And moving to the rear of the vehicle, this one is equipped with the executive rear seat package, which gives you split folding rear seats. You actually have temperature controlled cup holders and 3-zone climate control and heated rear seats. If you do work from your car, you do have a 150-volt AC power outlet, so you could plug in your laptop. Here you can see the wheels. They're 20-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels with gray accents. You can see the large brake calipers and rotors on this car. And that's the quick overview on this car. It is available. If you want additional details as far as the build on this one, you'll see that in the video description. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. Again, my contact information is in the video description. Thank you for watching.